Hey, what's up everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. So today's video, I'm gonna be talking about how can you really make $100,000 a year driving for rideshare. So I wanted to really quickly talk about whether or not it's possible. And as you can see here, this person has made $1,916, 165 rides, and they've driven for 69 hours and 55 minutes. And I also brought up a screenshot from a couple more people and just going over the different, so really quickly we can just, do some quick math right here. 1916 divided by 69. So that's about $27 an hour that this person made, but they drove about 69 hours a week. So really quickly, 69 divided by 7, they basically drove almost 10 hours a day with no breaks. But if they, took one day off, they're driving around 11 hours a day just on Lyft. So is it possible? Yes. Is it gonna take a lot of effort? Yes. Is it sustainable long term? Probably not. Are you able to work 70 hours a week for multiple weeks, multiple months? Probably not. But if you want to get ahead, let's say you are behind on your rent or your car payment, and you really want to bust out and make 1916, that's around $99,000 a year. I believe it is 1943 to make 100 grand, just about. So this person, again, made just about $100,000. As you can see here, each day average around 286. So the next one, 42 hours. This is a little bit less, but this is probably more doable. So if you're driving, thinking about driving full time, do a quick math here. 1265 divided by 42 hours. That was around $30 an hour. This is before expenses, by the way, guys. And 1265 times 52 weeks, that's around 65,000 a year. So it just depends on, you're not going to be able to hit the 69 hours every week. I mean, that's pretty nuts. But this might be a little bit more doable. So if you are thinking about going full time, this is just to give you a little quick perspective. I will leave a link in the description to sign up for Lyft if you want, or Uber. Uber is also a great choice. Pay a little bit more than Lyft, but Lyft, because there's more passengers, but Lyft is also a good option. So yeah, good luck out there. Hope this was helpful to anybody considering driving full time. All right, later guys.